Welcome to the demonstration for how to register for classes using Xello. Logging in from a Chromebook is the best way to use Xello. Once you get into your Chromebook and open up your browser, you're going to go to the bookmarks bar, which is on the top of your browser screen, and you should see Student Resources on the left side. You're going to drop down to Xello. Now, if you don't see the Student Resources tab on the bookmarks bar, you may have to open the bookmarks bar up. You'll go up to the top right of your browser window, press the little snowman or three dots, go down to Bookmarks, and then select Show Bookmarks Bar. And that should bring you to the Student Resources section. Once you get into Xello, you're going to go over to the right side, go to Goals and Plans, and select Course Planner. Now in this example, I'm a 9th grade student that's planning my 10th grade year. You'll notice I have 4 core classes, and I also have 2.5 credits of electives I need to select. And then at the bottom, I'm going to make sure I select alternates. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get a course schedule or a core course in here. So we're going to select English first, and we're going to add English 10. If you're in Honors English, you would select this. If you're English 10 Performing Arts, you would select one of these. So we're going to select Add. And it's going to give me a pop-up menu or a pop-up message that says this requires a co-requisite. They're automatically going to add it to the plan. So say, OK, got it. And it's going to add both semesters for you. Up here, you'll see it says Mathematics 10. You click that. It's going to take you to the Math menu. You will select the appropriate math class you're going to have. Most 10th grade students will take geometry, so we'll select that. It's going to add the co-requisite for second semester, and we click OK. So then it's going to continue through that to add all of your core classes. You're going to click the Done button, and that's going to bring us back to the main menu here. Now we're going to add electives. I'm going to add electives right here. We've got a lot of electives in the list, so if there's something specific you want to find, you're going to click up here, and let's say you want something in industrial technology. You're going to see the technology education for modular technology course. You click Add, and it will add it to your schedule. You can continue to add elective credits like Phys Ed, Visual Performing Arts, and World Language. So we'll select a World Language class, let's say Spanish, and it's been added for the full year. Click Done. So you'll continue to fill all of these in, and then you're going to add alternate courses. Alternate courses are very important. That way when the counselors make your schedule, they'll know what alternate classes that you would like. So let's say that you want concert choir, or if you weren't in choir, we'll remove that, say child development, design, and so on and so forth. So you go right down the list and select some alternates, and they will add it there. Now, it says ready to submit, but you don't have to submit it. It automatically saves for you. So there's no need to hit the submit button. Remember, if you get an error message, Xello will auto-save just like Google Docs, Slides, and other programs like that. If you have any questions, please contact your counselor.